You get a...
Oh my god!
Hey guys, we're at Silicon Beach Dental. Nobody likes going to the dentist.
Yeah, no.
Let's go make it a little more fun.
How did you know?
You go for either juicy fruit or a double. Hey guys, Steven here, and I'm here with Dr. Lawrence Fung. Are you ready to learn some magic?
Yeah, I would love to.
Fantastic. This is a super fun trick. We'll try it out. We'll use a couple markers for this.
Okay.
I'm going to take the markers and mix them up behind your back. I'm going to turn around. You're going to hand me one marker. Make sure there's no way that I can actually see the marker that you're going to hand me, and hide the rest. I'm going to try to guess what color you gave me. Imagine the color right here.
Okay.
Visualize that color out in front of you. You're thinking of purple.
Yes. That's crazy.
Let's see you attempt it. Go for it.
All right, well, you're going to be mixing this around.
Okay.
And you are going to hand me a color. And so I'm going to turn around and you're going to pick a color for me.
Yep, you got it.
Okay. I'm going to tell you what color it is.
Go for it. Let's see what you got.
So what you're going to do is you're going to stick out your hands like this.
Yeah.
And you're going to I just want you to look at this and you're just going to imagine the color.
Yeah.
And somebody's going to tell me, is it red? Or is it... You're thinking of red.
Oh, so close. No. So do you want to learn the secret? Here's the fun part.
Yes.
You get to learn the magic part.
Yes.
It's super, super easy. So here's what you do. Essentially, the mixing up doesn't matter. So you get it behind your back. Uncap it. You could draw a little dot here. Recap the marker. So the most difficult part is putting the cap back on, to be honest. And then you bring out your hand. So actually, this is the magic. So then you see the color, and then at that point, it's all presentation. But to do it subtly is like the hard part.
So smart.
Do you want to perform it for some of your employees?
Sure.
Well, let's bring them and see what you do.
No pressure. No pressure. You ready for some magic?
I am.
Okay, so you're gonna mix that around, and then when you're done, you're gonna hand me one of the colors. Let's see, let's think about this. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna keep it right behind my back. You're thinking of a color that starts with the P. And it's not pink, it's purple.
How did you know? Magic.
Magic.
That was super cool.
That was great. That was a very, very good first try.
Dude, thank you. Thanks for coming by. It was awesome. I mean, it was fun. You know, 1 second.
Yeah.
You should make sure you don't chew any lifesavers.
Okay, thanks.
See you later.
Thanks, Doc.